Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can easily fix your error. Here you can see it, Windows bad image error. So how we can fix it? First we need to go to our Regedit, so just write in search tab Regedit. Here you can see registry editor, just open it. So here you need to click yes. Here you need to scroll up and choose here local machine. Here you can see it, local machine software, and in software you need to find Microsoft. Here you can see Microsoft, just click on it. After you do it, just choose Windows NT. Here you can see Windows NT. Choose current version folder, and in current version you need to find Windows. Here you can see, just click on Windows, and here you will see AppInit DLLS. So just right click on it and choose modify, and here invalid data must be empty. So you will see in your variant some link here, so you just edit it, just select it and delete from it. So just this value data must be empty. So after you do it empty, just click OK, delete all information there. And just now you need to restart your computer after you close it all, and you won't see this error again. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.